This is a form layout for FastReport. It defines how a report looks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the layout. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn FR3 files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. The FR3 file extension is associated with FastReport, a reporting and business intelligence software. FR3 files store the form design, data connections, and layout information necessary for generating reports. These files contain the visual structure of the report, including text fields, images, charts, and data sources, enabling users to create customized and dynamic reports. FR3 files are structured using a proprietary format specific to FastReport. They typically contain XML-based data describing the report's layout, data sources, and formatting properties. Developers can modify FR3 files using the FastReport Designer to adjust the report's appearance, data connections, and calculations, ensuring accurate and visually appealing report generation. FastReport Studio developed by FastReport is often used as the source validator for FR3. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows shows only limited styling, so complete control requires page layout software. To bypass the error, right-click the FR3 file and choose Open With. Test FastReport Studio if it is an option. If it's missing, select any other program. Some niche tools handle the format better. If your FR3 file is not opening yet, that is normal. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, use FastReport Studio. Open the file using FastReport Studio or FastReport Viewer, the required application for the report. Next, check version. Ensure your FastReport Studio version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF XLSX. Use the software's export function to save the report as a universal format like .pdf or .xlsx. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.